Hey guys! We've all been there, running late in the morning. The kids are rushing you to get ready for school, and you're just staring at a cartons of eggs clueless. Boiled eggs take forever. Fried eggs are super greasy, and regular steamed eggs mean dirty utensils. By the time you clean up, you're late for work. Today I'm showing you the ultimate lazy breakfast hack: soy sauce steamed eggs. Mix a quick sauce on a plate. Crack in your eggs, give it a quick swirl, and steam it for 10 minutes. You get silky, soft-set eggs soaking in savory sauce. The runny yolk mixed with rice is so good. You'll easily finish 2 whole bowls. It's way tastier than plain boiled eggs, way easier than fried eggs, and you only have 1 single plate. To clean, no whisking required at all. Grab a deep plate first. A deeper dish keeps the sauce from spilling over while steaming. Eggs are such a great staples, packed with premium protein and lecithin to boost your energy and brain function. The vitamins on lutein in the yolks are also amazing for your eyes. Add 15 milliliters soy sauce, 8 ml water, and 5 milliliters sesame oil to the plate. Then toss in some fresh green onions. Give it a good stir until everything's fully blended, and you'll instantly smell that amazing savory, nutty aroma. Now just crack your eggs straight into the seasoned sauce. Make as many as you want. 2 for eggs is the perfect portion for 1 person. After cracking them in, gently swirl the eggs apart with your chopsticks. Don't fully beat them up. Place the plate in your steamer. Once the water boiling and steaming hot, let it cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. This timing gives you the perfect set. Egg whites with as lightly runny, soft yolks. If you prefer fully cooked yolks, just steam it for an extra 2-3 minutes. Stick to medium heat. High heat will make your eggs spongy and full of bubbles, while low heat takes way too long. Pro tips: leave any gaps on the steamer lid or cover the plate with another plate. This stops condensation water from dripping in and ruining that smooth, flawless texture. And that's it. Super simple soy sauce steamed eggs, done in minutes. Hey guys, I work super hard every day to bring you these easy, no-fuss home cooking recipes. If this lazy breakfast recipes helped you out or leveled up your cooking game, please hit the like button to leave a comment and share this video. Help more people learn this quick, delicious hack. I truly appreciate all your love and support. Look how perfect this turns out. The egg whites melt in your mouth, and the yolks are creamy and smooth. The sauce is perfectly seasoned, savory and light, with a fresh onion flavor and rich sesame taste. Mix that runny yolk and savory sauce with rice, and every single bit is absolute perfection. It also pairs insanely well with congee or steamed buns. All right, everyone. That's all for today's recipe video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you all having awesome days and enjoying every single meal.